Hello everyone. Today is a long-awaited fire alarm test, and I know it's been like 8 months from now since fire alarm test 13, and today is fire alarm test 14, and today we're going to be testing the wheelock ZRS-MCW. It's the remote strobe version of the wheelock ZNS, and you can actually tell this is actually a newer strobe design than my other wheelock remote strobe that I tested back in fire alarm test 7. I'm going to do the first example, so we're going to move this to the right and put this to the left right here. As you can tell, the strobes do look kind of the same, except this one is kind of frosted, and this is a vertical strobe and this one's a horizontal strobe, and they're both clear view strobes, and this is the fixed candela model, my WMT, and this is the multi-candela version. I do have it set for 15, and we'll take this out of the frame, and you basically have your strobe on your double gang plate, but this one does not have a double gang plate. So they're both 2-wire, so let's take this out and look at this device. As you can tell, this device is 2-wire, and the mounting brackets, and it mounts the same, and it wires the same as the Spectre Alert Advance horn strobe. I'll put that to the left right here too. This is the newer one that I got in the mail with the mounting screw. This will be tested in the next fire alarm test. I'm not going to test this one tonight because it is too loud and I don't want to wake up my family. So we're not testing this today. So we're going to show you the difference between the mounting brackets. So pause the video for a minute. As you can tell, the Spectre Alert Advance horn strobe has the same wiring as the wheelock ZRS. So your negative goes over here and your 2 positives go over here. Kind of like this one. Your negative is over here and your 2 positives are right here. So the mounting brackets do look exactly the same, except this mounting, the wiring is at the bottom and the wiring is at the top. So, well, basically that's how it is. And we'll pop this back on its mounting bracket. Pop this back on its mounting bracket. There we go. So you mount the bracket to the wall first, do all your wiring, and snap it right in. Same with this. And there you go. And let's go to the next part. And as for the moment of truth, and we're going to be testing this alarm itself, since this is the strobe only version of the wheelock ZNS, and we're gonna flash the strobe, and I have it set on 15 candela, so I never usually do low candela settings because I usually do love bright strobes. So on 15 candela, it's not going to be too bright. So on 15 candela, it may be bright on the video, but remember, guys, if you guys have seizures in this video, I am not responsible for any injuries at all. So anyways, enough chit chat, guys, for fire alarm test 14. So in 3, 2, 1. That is awfully bright for 15 candela. Let's turn off the lights here. You can barely hear it. You can always hear that tick going through the strobe tube. You can barely hear the capacitor that's in it too, because I have it set on the lowest candela setting. I had it set for 15 candela. If you guys like to see the strobe in the dark, I'm going to turn off the lights one more time. That is awfully bright for 15 candela. That is really bright. Let's shut off the strobe now. Okay guys, how did you enjoy this fire alarm test? I hope you guys liked it. Anyways, that's all for now for fire alarm test 14. I really appreciate it very much, and thank you very much. So, thank you. So, it was a big, long-awaited fire alarm test, so thank you very much, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye. I hope you enjoyed fire alarm test 14. Goodbye.